Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNPW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another monster day on this one, and updates need to be done. In fact, did this one last week, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And believe it or not, these annotations were actually relevant before today. But I mean, today's price was just so big that now these levels look kind of goofy being up. So I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of them. They've served their purpose for now. And from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look, let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible moving forward. But one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal of them, if say, Clay, what make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can now stay up here above 16 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 16, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a fantastic sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword definitely being moving. I get it. The price is way up there. That line's way down here. But as time goes by, that line will move itself higher and higher and get more and more relevant, which is very helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as, the overall move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above 16 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, they just don't matter. What do I mean by that? What matters the most is what the price has already been doing and continues to do, and that's this right here. Just chip it away and build on these higher lows, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So in other words, as long as these stair steps continue to construct themselves in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building on those higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.